You've been holding out on me.
Cutting it pretty close there, Matt.
Never left you hanging before, sir.
Fair enough. Just get us the hell out of here.
All batteries, concentrate forward firepower. Spin up drives 2 and 6. All hands brace for warp jump on my mark. Mark.
What the hell happened? We ain't seen the Zerg in years. Why attack Marsara now?
It's not just Marsara. You need to see this.
Zerg Swarm launched a full-scale attack.
Devastation spread throughout all Outer Rim planets. Sustained heavy losses.
Casualties in the billions.
Minutes ago, the Zerg attacked a Dominion military research facility.
Sweet mother of mercy.
New exclusive video footage confirms the Queen of Blades is in fact leading the swarm.
We always knew she'd be back, but what's she after?
She's come to finish the job.
There's no telling what the Zerg will throw against us this time. Sir, we need to make sure our hardware and munitions are up to the challenge.
Yeah, I'll check in with Swan down the armory. Knowing him, he's already got upgrades for us.
I hate to ask, sir, but is there a reason that convict's still on my bridge?
Easy, Matt. Tychus is one of my oldest friends. He helped me out of a real bind a few years back. I owe him.
Well, your friend has a criminal record as long as...
Mine? Believe me, if Tychus Finley wanted me dead, I'd be dead already.
Understood, sir.
One hell of a ship you got here, Jimmy. How'd you get a hold of a floating palace like this?
The Hyperion was Mink's flagship back in the day. Me and Matt decided to borrow her when we parted company with him. This old baby's seen us through some tight spots.
Speaking of tight spots, Tychus, why are you still wearing that suit on my bridge?
Yeah, what'd you bust the zipper or something?
Okay, so I might have had a little help when I broke out of prison. Let's just say it came at a price. I get to stay locked up in this suit till I pay off all my debts.
And who's collecting those debts? Who sprung you?
They're Mobius boys, of course. I didn't just run into them in a museum, you know. They want them artifacts something fierce.
Your debts better not bite us in the ass, Tychus. Covering for your shenanigans ain't part of the deal. Just how bad is it, Matt?
Zerg are attacking all over the sector, sir. Manx pulled the fleet back to protect the Dominion core worlds, leaving the fringe worlds to fend for themselves. It's a nightmare.
There's no way we can stop an alien invasion with one capital ship and a handful of volunteers.
Best we just stay clear, partner. We can earn ourselves a fortune working for Mobius while this whole thing blows over.
You don't get it, convict. This isn't gonna just blow over. The Zerg won't stop until we're all dead.
Don't worry, Matt. We ain't sitting this one out. But we're not exactly in tip-top shape either. We'll earn some cash and build up our forces so we can make a difference when it counts.
Hey, everybody, our glorious leader has returned. Hey, man, what's up, cowboy?
What do you got for me, Swan?
The usual, building up our standing forces.
Bringing my troops and hardware up to speed, huh?
Yup, you can add upgrades for their tech right here on the console. But building an army on the run ain't cheap. You brought back credits this time, right?
Look, I know money's been tight, But that artifact we just picked up from Marsar is gonna solve everything.
Yeah, I've heard that before, brother.
It's different this time.
Yeah, I heard that one too.
Upgrading what we got is all well and good, but when are we getting new hardware? A lot of gaps in our inventory right now.
Sometimes we take a job with some kind of new hardware, and I get a schematic for it so we can make more of them. The plans for other stuff, we gotta either beg, borrow, or steal.
What's our general status, Matt?
We've picked up a distress call from the planet Agria. There's a colony there under attack by the Zerg. Your convict buddy Tychus lined up a mission retrieving another artifact. It's on a Protoss shrine world called Monolith.
Any ship receiving this transmission. The Zerg are invading Agria. The Dominion abandoned us here. We're just a small farming colony. We've got to evacuate before we're overrun. If you can hear this message, please help us.
Incoming transmission.
Thank you so much for responding to our distress call, Commander. I'm Dr. Ariel Hansen, and I represent the people of the Agria colony.
Pleasure to meet you, Doc. You can call me Jim. What's the situation?
The Zerg have overwhelmed our planetary defenses. The colony is lost. For the past 12 hours, we've been evacuating people to the nearest starport, but the Zerg attacks have become so intense, we can't get any more through. If you can guard the highway, we can start sending the remaining groups every few minutes.
Don't worry, Doc. We'll get your folks through to that starport safe and sound.
I pray you're right, Commander. The Zerg are more terrible than I ever imagined.
Scorched earth.
I got us some fire bats, cowboy. These suckers have got flamethrowers that'll roast the Zerg good.
Smells like victory.
Our allies are
Well done. Let's get cooking. Let's do this. Smells like...
Thank goodness you're here. I'll give you control of the main building so you can help us evacuate the colony.
Huh? Well, butter money. Go. SCV ready. What's going on? You're the boss. SCV ready.
We'll need to escort the convoys all the way to the main starport for them to have a chance of escaping this planet.
The first convoy from Lark's Crossing will be moving out soon.
SCV ready. SCV ready. SCV ready. SCV ready.
Don't stop for anything. Let's roll.
You want a piece of me, boy?
SCV ready.
Been waiting on you. Outstanding.
In the rear with the gear.
Armed and
SCV ready.
you gonna give me orders?
Someone had the right idea of building bunkers to defend the roads. Finally empty.
The Dominion military abandoned them when the Zerg attacked. They didn't give a damn about the colony.
Sorry to hear that, Todd. At least these bunkers are in a good spot. I'll see if we can't get them manned.
SCV ready.
Well done. This better be good.
Yeah.
Our allies are under attack.
Ready to roast. Smoking. Scorched earth.
Need some triage? Ooh, sounds serious.
Fueled up. Say the word. Ready to fry. You got my attention.
SCV ready.
Ready to roast. Smoking. Well done.
What's going on?
Want a piece of me, boy?
Huh? Sure thing. Yo.
It's a long haul to the starport, partner. How can we be expected to guard the whole thing?
I reckon we can use a mobile force to keep it clear, or build more bunkers to block the approaches. Either way should work.
Job, huh? We hear you.
Armed and ready. Affirmative.
The next convoy is almost ready to go, Commander. Please alert your men.
To fry. Go, go, go!
SCV ready. Go ahead. Bad news? You're the boss.
You gonna give me... This better be good.
Get to the starport! Move it!
Armed and ready. Been waiting on you. By the numbers, boys.
Add-on complete.
Go, go, go!
Upgrade complete.
You gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you.
Base is under attack. Base
The
is
doctor
under
is in.
attack.
Ah! You scared me!
Armed and ready.
Base is under attack.
We hear you.
Ready to roast. Let's get cooking.
Who wants some? This better be good. By the numbers, boys.
Bad news? Sure thing.
Been waiting on you. You gonna give me orders? Go, go, go! I feel ya. Sure thing.
Upgrade complete.
The doctor is in.
Gangway, coming through. Armed and ready.
Go ahead. Yep.
By the numbers, boys.
Standing by.
Armed and ready. You want a piece of me, boy?
Commander, another convoy will be heading out soon.
You gonna give me orders? Affirmative. Who wants some? Gangway. That's fine. Been waiting on you. This better be good. Been waiting on you. Yes, sir. 10-4.
us!
Got it. Why not? Go, go, go!
Go ahead. Yo.
Who wants some?
Additional supply depots required.
By the numbers, boys. You gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you. This better be good. Outstanding. Roger that.
Additional supply depots required. Base is under attack. Are under attack.
What's going on? Uh-huh. Go ahead. Yeah, what?
Been waiting on you. Sure.
Huh?
Who wants some? Armed and ready. Yes, sir. You gonna give me orders? This better be good. By the numbers, boys.
Big job, huh? Yeah.
Want a piece of me, boy?
Sir, we just detected Zerg organisms entering the upper atmosphere. I can't give you an exact fix, but they're heading your way.
SCV ready.
Gangway, coming through.
SCV ready. In the rear with the gear.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
We have another convoy ready to be escorted, Commander.
Want some? Been waiting on you. This better be good. By the numbers, boys. Go, go, go! Who wants some? You gonna give me orders?
Everyone's here. Let's go.
This better be good. Armed and ready.
That's fine. This better be good. Convoy's in danger. Hit 'em, boys. Go, go, go! You gonna give me orders? 10-4. By the numbers, boys.
Sir, I'm picking up seismic disturbances closing in on your position. I think it's some kind of tunneling, Zerg.
Wonderful. It's just like him to keep things nice and interesting.
Ah! You scared me! I can't build here. I'm going.
The doctor is in.
Armed and ready.
We're almost done, Commander. Another convoy will be starting out soon.
Is it critical? Must be.
In the rear with the gear. This better be good. You want a piece of me, boy? Huh? Gotcha. By the number, been waiting on you. Bad news? Gangway, coming through. Armed and ready.
Is the road safe up ahead? Guess we'll find out.
Go.
You ran.
This better be good. Waiting on you. In the rear with the gear.
is under attack.
Armed and ready. Will do. What's up? By the numbers, boys. This better be good. Been waiting on you. Outstanding. You gonna give me orders?
That's the last of them. Go! Lift off now!
We've lost the colony, but my people got out alive thanks to you, Commander.